Here's Biden saying the first shipment of humanitarian aid to Gaza is on its way.
President Netanyahu and I discussed again yesterday.
Way to go, moron!
By the laws of war. Pickup station stagnant. Someone said 8.5 million a week in that talkers magazine. I don't even know if that's real. I can tell you right now, we had almost 100,000 people in our chat in the podcast.
Yeah, it's gonna come up here and tailgate this one.
Million views on every show and podcast. But there's a lot of people listening right now, regardless. We're on 300 plus stations. I need you to go, put in the search engine, find my congressman. House.gov will come right up. Put your zip code in. It's really simple.
Hey, here they come, right back up on my ass.
And then during the break, a friend of mine who's kind of knows a bit of the inside baseball, here's an update on the Jim Jordan House Speaker, the ongoing fiasco. Oh, this is good. Well, I just heard from an inside baseball source of mine who hates the swamp roses probably more than you do, that they just took another secret ballot to see if Jim Jordan, who most of the country wants, and probably 90+% of Republicans who actually vote,